everybody, Josh Jr. here for a in-shop adventure. This shop adventure is for an opening of a box that I purchased from Idaho Rock Shop. And as you can tell by the title, it is Snowflake Obsidian. So the only way we're going to have fun with this is by opening it up and seeing what Tony Funk of the Idaho Rock Shop has included. And of course, grab a sharp knife and you still have issues. Oh wow, look at this. This is going to be fun. Almost every piece in here, it looks like, can be slabbed. So let me grab a bucket so I can transfer the stuff into the bucket. Okay, so we're just going to go through this and see what we can find and see what stuff looks like. This is going to be fun to work. Now I've only worked a few pieces of this stuff, and that's why I bought some from Tony Funk at the Idaho Rock Shop. Man, this stuff is incredible. And also we got some with this small snowflake pattern on it too. Oh, and I see a big piece too. This stuff is going to turn out to be some very nice cabochons. You got some lines in this one here. And we'll see what I can do when I work it. And whatever doesn't turn out right after slabbing for the cabochon purposes, then it's just going to be tumbled. So every bit of this is going to be utilized over time. Very, very, very nice. That's one thing I like about buying stuff from Tony, is that he makes sure that you have a full box and quality material. This is the third box of material I bought from him. Man, this stuff looks good. The only thing I'm noticing is that some of this material's got quite a bit of cracks in it, but that's kind of expected for obsidian. Well, not necessarily cracks, they're just the way the obsidian was formed. True test will be when we get these opened up. Look at that. Now see, there's a crack there. That's fine. I'll be inspecting these very close before I put them in the saw, so I can make sure I maximize the cuts out of them. Here's a big one. Sweet material. Yeah, no complaints whatsoever. And this stuff looks a little shiny already. Yep, I am so excited with this. It may be boring to some of you, but to me this is just incredible. I love working obsidian. I've worked material from Glass Butte, the Burns area, Davis Creek. I've worked some of the Utah Snowflake. And my goal is to keep working as much of the stuff as I can get. Because I know with obsidian, it's different from each and every location. So yeah. And not much in the way of damage either from shipping. As we all know, the post office is pretty rough on this stuff. So, do this here, shine a little bit more light on the stuff here. So as I start working this stuff, I'll be sure to include videos of me getting it cut, me polishing it or shaping it out for cabochons, and for me getting it polished. So this is kind of a short video, but I definitely wanted to get this recorded for you guys so you can actually see this stuff, because not very many people have actually seen Snowflake Obsidian in person, and it's my understanding it's pretty hard to get some locations now, due to one of the primary areas is a national, some sort of a national site that now collecting of material is now off limits, where it used to be accessible for generations prior. So there you go, everybody. Just wanted to share this with you. And just remember, everyone's life is an adventure. Then there's mine, and this is going to be an adventure working the Snowflake Obsidian. This is the Adventures of Jaws Jr. Have a good one, everybody. See ya!